Hello friends, do word problems scare you? Do you find it difficult to understand which operation to use while solving the word problem? Why do children have such a hard time solving the word problem? I love math, but I hate word problems. If you often feel the same, then today's video is just for you. In today's video, we will give you 5 easy tips to tackle the word problem. Think about the time when you go to buy candies and you don't have enough change, so you have to pay the shopkeeper some other amount and you get some money in return. Think of another situation where the shopkeeper tells you the price of 6 bananas and you want to buy only 9 bananas. How do you find that how much do you have to pay? Do you realize what arithmetic operations are used to calculate the change you received in the first scenario and the amount you pay in the second scenario? For the first example, the concept of subtraction is used. So basically, the shopkeeper subtracted the price of the candies from the amount you paid and then returned the difference to you, right? But how did he decide that he wants to subtract, not to add or multiply? How do you find out the price of 9 bananas when you are only told the price of 6 bananas? You use the unitary method. And first, you find the price of 1 banana and then multiply it by 9 to get the price of 9 bananas. Well, that's the point of solving the word problem. When you face such real problems like these in your day-to-day life, you have to decide what operation you are going to use by looking into the information that is being provided to you, right? So now we will discuss 5 easy simple steps to tackle the word problem. Number 1, read the word problem and picture a scenario in your mind. Second, check what information is provided to you and then underline the same. Third, decide what you need to find and which operation you should be using. Fourth, frame it into a mathematical equation. And fifth, solve and get the answer. So here's a simple example, right? The first step is to read the question and then pictureize. The question reads, Sunil buys a gift for his friend for rupees 267. He gives the shopkeeper rupees 2000. How much money does the shopkeeper return to Sunil? So, after reading this and picturizing the scenario, we will check the information given in the question. The information is, the cost of the gift is rupees 267. Underline it. And Sunil paid a total of rupees 2000. Underline it. Next step is to decide what we need to find. That is, how much money does the shopkeeper return to Sunil. After that, we need to frame it into a mathematical problem. It is clear that Sunil was supposed to pay rupees 267 to fulfill his amount. But as it didn't have exact amount, instead of rupees 267, he gave the shopkeeper rupees 2000. So, the additional money that he gave to the shopkeeper is the part that the shopkeeper will give as a return. So, you need to subtract 267 from rupees 2000. That is 2000 minus 267. Now, the question is reduced to a mathematical expression of subtraction. If we solve this subtraction, we will get our answer. That is rupees 2000 minus 267. That would give us 1733. This is what Sunil will get in return. We can also check our answer by adding the change he received, that is 1733, into the cost of the gift, that is 267. That would give him rupees 2000. So that is the total money he paid. So this proves that we are correct in our calculation. Let's take another example. If the question says 1 sack of rice costs rupees 800, Rohan wants to buy 2 sacks of rice. If 4 500 rupees notes are paid to the shopkeeper, how much amount he will get in return? Confusing, right? Let's read it again. The question says 1 sack of rice costs rupees 800. Underline it. Rohan wants to buy 2 sacks of rice. Underline it. 4 500 rupees notes are paid to the shopkeeper. Underline it. How much amount will he get back? Underline it. Now next step is to decide what you need to find and which operation should be used. Here we need to find the change he will get back after paying the cost for 2 sacks of rice. But wait, we are not given the price of 2 sacks of rice and the amount he paid was 4 notes of 500 rupees. Well, that's the tricky part. We need to resolve one by one. First, we are given the cost of 1 sack of rice and we need to convert it into the cost of 2 sacks of rice. So the cost of 2 sacks of rice would be 2 into 800, that would give us rupees 1600, and that would be the cost of 2 sacks of rice. Next, he paid 4 notes of 500, that is 4 times 500, that would give us rupees 2000. That means Rohan paid rupees 2000 to the shopkeeper while he was supposed to pay rupees 1600. Now comes to the last step, that is solving the answer. So the rest amount is 2000 minus 1600. That is what he will be getting in return. So this is how we get the solution, by breaking the words into the mathematical equation. So this is how actually real life problems are solved using mathematics. Practice more such questions from a textbook and post your doubts in the comment section below, and we will help you solve them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button if you like the video. Do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.